army recognition is in Istanbul, Turkey for the International Defense Exhibition SAHA Expo 2026. And we are now on the booth of United Arab Emirates with several companies coming from UAE like Edge and also Khalidus and Tawazun. They present different type of military equipment, but you can see now a scale model of an offer of air defense system, a full complete air defense system that can be deployed to protect, for example, oil factory or oil department.
Hi, I'm Umut Mert Altunbaş. I'm a design engineer in Proterm Energy. The Proterm Energy is the company who created in 2002 with energy sector, and then in 2013 they are getting the defense industry, and then they are in CBRN solution first. Now we have a new prototype, the utility tactical vehicle. This is the newest one. It's now prototype, but it's not finished done yet. Transmission is the CVT. It's for multiply by 4x4. We can integrate anything you want, weapons or something else, jammers. Now we have a other version, electrical and hybrid systems. We are in RG level. Now it's empty situation. It's 950 kilogram. It's full load, it's about 1,650 kilogram. It's up to 4 people you can carry. The other versions, 2 people and 6 people, we are now studying them. The engine can do 120 km per hour, but we limit it because there is a dangerous for the flipping right and left. The maximum payload is about 250 and 300 kilogram. We can carry in the back. You can carry ammo or your backpack, or maybe hurting people. You can carry hurting soldier. About 1 or 2 months later, we will start the field test. Then it will be finished. Approximately 3, maybe maximum 4 months later, it's finished.
At SAHA Expo there is also a very interesting countries, Sudan, who present different type of military equipments. And now let's go to see what's exhibit Sudan at SAHA Expo 2026. On the booth we can see a wide range of different type of military equipment in the field of land, air and sea. There is different type of rocket launcher system, but also small diameter bombs. And Sudan also developed different type of combat vehicle, including 8x8 and 4x4 vehicles, as well as different version of tracked infantry fighting vehicle.